Hello students, I am here with the next class on the Union Legislature and today's topic is the Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the parliament. The Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the parliament and it is also known as the Council of States. The Rajya Sabha is also known as the Council of States. The Rajya Sabha has its representatives from all the states and union territories. It represents 28 states and 8 union territories. The composition of Rajya Sabha we shall learn. In its composition, we have both elected and the nominated members. The composition of Rajya Sabha with elected members and nominated members. In all, the strength of the Rajya Sabha is 250. What is the strength of the Rajya Sabha? It is 250, while 238 members are elected and 12 members are nominated. How many members are elected? 238 members elected and 12 are nominated. Who are nominated to the Rajya Sabha? The nominated members of Rajya Sabha are those who excel in the field of science, literature, art, and social service. These are the 4 fields from which 12 members are nominated to Rajya Sabha by the President. Who nominates the members to the Rajya Sabha? The President nominates. How many members? 12. From what field are the members to be? They must be the people in the country who excel in the field of science, literature, art, and social service. And these 12 members are nominated to Rajya Sabha by the President of India. Recently, you may have heard that the ex-Chief Justice of India, Sri Ranjan Gogoi, is nominated to the Rajya Sabha. Who is recently nominated to the Rajya Sabha? It is the ex-Chief Justice of India, Sri Ranjan Gogoi. While in the past there were many such renowned persons had been nominated to the Rajya Sabha, like the film producer Mrinal Sen, actress Hema Malini, scientist Raja Ramanna, cricketer Sachin Tendulkar, and many more. This is in brief about the members nominated and members elected. When we know about the elected members or election of the members of Rajya Sabha, the Rajya Sabha members are elected indirectly. They are elected indirectly by the members of State Legislative Assembly. Who elects them? The members of State Legislative Assembly known as MLAs from all the 28 states. While out of the 8 union territories, 2, that is Delhi and Puducherry, also have their legislative assemblies. Hence, they too elect members to the Rajya Sabha. The rest of the union territories have their local bodies. The union territories have their local bodies, and the local bodies like the municipalities elect the members to the Rajya Sabha from the union territories. Is this okay? When we learn about the election of the members of the Rajya Sabha, they are elected indirectly. By whom are they elected? They are elected by MLAs of all the 28 states, and 2 union territories have MLAs. They too elect the members to Rajya Sabha, while rest of the union territories have their local bodies like municipalities, and these members elect to the members of Rajya Sabha. The Parliament may prescribe some of the laws time and again how the members of the union territory to be elected. But as of now, the local bodies like municipalities elect. While the Rajya Sabha, when can it be dissolved? When does the Lok Sabha get dissolved? In the expiry of its 5 years? Or when there is a no confidence motion passed, on the advice of the Prime Minister, the President dissolves. While Rajya Sabha can never be dissolved, it cannot be dissolved ever. Hence, it cannot be dissolved. It is known as permanent house. The Rajya Sabha is known as the permanent house of the Parliament. What is the term of the members? The term of the members of Rajya Sabha is 6 years. The Rajya Sabha is not meant for 6 years, but the members enjoy a term of 6 years. Once a member is elected, the elected member or even the nominated member enjoys the office in Rajya Sabha for only 6 years. It is called a permanent house as it cannot be dissolved, we have learned. How it does not dissolve? Because the election of all 238 members does not go once at a time. Every second year, 1/3 of the members get elected, while other 2/3 members are still there in office. 1/3 get elected, so as 1/3 get retired. After 1/3 get retired, another 1/3 gets elected, while 2/3 of them have their term to complete in the next 2 years or next 4 years. Because every second year, election is held for the membership of Rajya Sabha. Each time election is held, not for the whole of 250, only 1/3 of 250 or elected member is 238. 1/3 of 238 gets elected, and the next election comes in the next 2 years, again 1/3 will get elected. That is in brief how the members of Rajya Sabha get elected. It's a term as we have learned. Next we shall learn about the qualifications required. As we have learned the qualifications required to be a member of Lok Sabha, to be a member of Rajya Sabha, all the qualifications are the same except the age. The Lok Sabha members should be of 25 years of age, while Rajya Sabha members should be of 30 years of age. The rest all what we have learned earlier from the part of Lok Sabha, like the members should have qualification as citizen of India. The Rajya Sabha members should be of 30 years age, should not hold any office of profit, should have his name in the electoral list, should not be of unsound mind, or should not be a proclaimed criminal. That is all about the qualifications required. We need to remember the difference between the age of the Lok Sabha members and the Rajya Sabha members in their qualification. What is the difference? The Lok Sabha members should have the qualification of 25 years, while the Rajya Sabha members should have the age qualification as 30 years. Rest all are the same. You learn once from the part of Lok Sabha, they all will be right. Then comes the presiding officer. Who is the presiding officer of Lok Sabha that we had learned? Yes, the presiding officer of Lok Sabha is the speaker. And the present speaker also I had said, it is Mr. Om Birla. While the presiding officer of Rajya Sabha is the vice president. The vice president is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. What is ex officio? The term ex officio means by virtue. By virtue of being the vice president, he or she also becomes the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. No election further is required as is done for the speaker in the Lok Sabha. The vice president himself becomes the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. But a deputy chairman will have to be elected. From amongst the members of the Rajya Sabha, a deputy chairman is elected in the same manner as the speaker is elected. So who elects the members? Who elects the deputy chairman of the Rajya Sabha? The members of Rajya Sabha. That is with regard to the presiding officer of Rajya Sabha. The vice president is the presiding officer, while the deputy chairman presides over the Rajya Sabha when the vice president is absent. Then we shall know the various functions of the parliament. The parliament carries out number of functions and they are categorized as legislative. In number 1, we shall learn the legislative functions. The legislative functions of the parliament is that they make the law for the country. To make the law, they need to pass the bill or proposal in the house that is called the ordinary bill. The ordinary bills or the proposals can be originated in any of the two houses. It can be the Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha. Any ordinary bill to make new law for the country, as it was done now, the CAA, Citizenship Amendment Act, a new law in its original form had come in the form of bills, and after having been done in the two houses, receiving president's assent, it becomes the law or an act. So, ordinary bill can be originated in any of the two houses. Okay. Besides ordinary bills or the legislative power of the parliament, they have various other subjects to deal with, which are categorized into the lists known as the union list, the state list, and the concurrent list. What are they? They are the subjects. The subjects of the union government, like the railway, the defense, the external affairs, the finance, the home, and all those. So each of these subjects is categorized into the lists as union list, state list, and concurrent list. The union list now has 100 subjects. The state list has 61 subjects, while the concurrent list has 52 subjects. Besides these subjects, there are some new subjects may come from time and again to the parliament to deal with and make law. They are categorized as the residuary list, or the parliament has power over them, known as the residuary powers of the parliament. What are residuary powers? The subjects which are not mentioned in any of the three lists but are new subjects, they are left to be dealt by the union government in its union list. So residuary power is a special power given to the parliament which cannot be decided or legislated in any of the states under the state list. So union government or the union legislature has power over the residuary subjects, or they have the residuary powers. Okay, this is what we shall have for now. The rest of the functions and the exercise to this lesson we shall have in the next video. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep smiling, and stay safe. Bye-bye.